All right, social media check-in.
Natasha Baburam on YouTube. I have an approved I-360, a pending I-485, and have mailed in my medical. How long does it normally take for approval? My case is at the Vermont office.
More than 2 years, unfortunately.
And I have one from Shondell Barnwell on Facebook. Does a 14-year-old coming to America on vacation have to be vaccinated?
No.
Susu on YouTube. What supporting documents should I submit with my stepson's I-130 and I-485? He's 8 years old, and his dad's petition is not approved yet. Should I wait or go ahead with his application?
Go ahead with his application.
Ariana Broderick on YouTube. I got an RFE for an I-130, but still got a biometric date, which I did on July 13th. I filed my application separately. What are my chances of getting an EAD before answering?
Hopefully soon. You should get it.
D.T. on YouTube. I filed for my I-485 and I-130 in 2017 and still have not heard anything. This morning, 2 immigration officers came to my house asking to speak to me about my case. What should I do?
Call a lawyer.
Yeah.
Kiki on YouTube. I was charged for conspiracy to distribute cocaine. Is it a misdemeanor? And it is a misdemeanor and I pled guilty. Can I file for citizenship?
She found guilty of cocaine possession?
They pled guilty.
Depends what it was and where. Like, for example, cocaine possession in the 7th degree in the state of New York, not deportable.
How about, is it the same with distributing?
Distributing
cocaine?
is sale of drugs. It's a completely different story.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay,
I think
that's what they said, distributing?
Charged for conspiracy to distribute cocaine.
That sounds like an aggravated felony.
Yeah,
I wouldn't be filing anything unless you speak to an immigration lawyer.
So it's a so it says it is a misdemeanor,
I would need
and
to
I
see the
pled
disposition.
guilty. Yeah.
It's not what you're charged with, it's what you're found guilty of.
Awesome. Okay. Ref Run on YouTube. Will people who only received a notice of action for their I-130 benefit from the budget reconciliation plan?
Vanessa.
John No on YouTube. Apart from my spouse getting food stamps, what other government benefits might be a problem in an I-130 and I-485 case? And if I get an eligible second sponsor, are receiving these benefits still a problem?
Receiving the benefits are still a problem with the second sponsor. Any benefit that's means tested. Means tested is a legal term that says you're entitled to this benefit if your income falls below the poverty guidelines. Or if it's not below the poverty guidelines, that it's because your income falls below a certain level, even if it's a little above the poverty guidelines, like Section 8, housing. So means tested means you get it because your income is low.
Tanisha Bishop on YouTube. Is it okay to switch from consular processing to adjustment of status, even though I have an approved I-130 petition? I'm just waiting for my interview date. I keep getting letters to wait for 60 days.
Yes, you can file for an adjustment if you qualify.
Claudio Oscar Granados on Facebook. I have a VAWA approved and a pending AOS, but in 2006, when I was 16 years old, I claimed to be a U.S. citizen. Can my AOS be denied?
Well, a false claim to U.S. citizenship under the age of 16 may not be a problem. It depends on whether or not you were requesting a benefit for it. It depends on how long that benefit was given to you, and it depends how long ago it happened. So I would need to know a lot more. It's very fact specific.
Julia on YouTube. My son is about to age out in about 60 days. They've refused 4 expedited requests so far, saying the Jamaican embassy is not taking interviews. What can I do? He's documentarily
qualified.
You know I can't say that word.
It sounds like you need to speak to a lawyer now.
Okay, Marsha Velez on YouTube. I got married in 2011. My case was pending for 6 years and then got denied in a letter in 2017. Stating that my husband withdrew the petition and I had 30 days to leave the country. I never left. Should I leave?
No. They didn't come to deport you yet. They're not coming for you. Let's figure out a way to get you a green card. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.